Please, don't leave us.
Why do you keep blaming me for everything?
Because I can't do this alone anymore.
Then tell me what you want from me.
Look at them, Ethan. They hear everything.
I never wanted this.
Are Mom and Dad leaving? I don't know. I can't keep pretending anymore.
And I can't do everything alone!
I can't do this anymore. This isn't the family I dreamed of.
I don't know how to fix it anymore. I'm scared.
Me too.
They are terrified.
I didn't realize.
I need some time.
Okay.
Can we play a game together? Maybe later. My car is the fastest. Your turn.
No thanks.
You always play with me. Not today. We need to talk later.
Okay.
We were happy.
I like that picture.
Me too.
They don't look happy anymore.
I can see it too. Want to build a castle?
Maybe later. They look happy.
I made it for you.
It's beautiful.
This isn't like her. Something is wrong.
I know.
She used to smile all the time.
Now she barely talks.
Do you think it's because of us?
Why are we so far apart? Because it feels that way. Do you want to play?
Not today.
She's different lately. Did something happen at home?
They fight a lot.
Oh, Mia. I need to speak with Mia's parents.
I understand.
Thank you for telling me.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
We're a bit concerned. I understand. Let's talk. I'm worried about Mia.
She drew this several times.
Oh.
She keeps drawing the same thing.
I didn't know.
Mia told me something.
He looks far to die.
She said they fight a lot.
We didn't see it.
She was listening all along.
For the first time. I'm sorry.
Me too.
We need to talk. We are sorry, Mia.
We should have listened.
You won't leave?
It feels good to see them happy again.
I miss that smile on Mia's face.
We should have listened sooner. No family is perfect. Sometimes parents make mistakes too.
When something hurts your feelings, always talk about it. Never keep your worries hidden.
And remember,